ये है अनसेट फीलिंग शैंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स छोटा छोटा करके दिखाया जाएगा। तो देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए।
Now, with that, Kavil, like everyone who is watching this, tell them about your courses a little bit. Like, just tell them what is it and what are the courses that they can come and take it from you, and how can you be
There are
helpful
a
for them?
lot of things that I teach. I talk majorly about, I'm very passionate about people making money.
Amazing.
I'm very passionate. I'm like, अगर कोई बैठा है कुछ नहीं कर रहा है अपने साथ, या उनको लगता है कि मैं नहीं कर सकती, तो हम like कैसे नहीं कर सकते भाई, चलो बैठो मेरे सामने, लेट्स डू दिस। सो मैं खोद के चेक करती हूँ कि तुम्हारे कौन से ऐसे बिलीफ सिस्टम्स हैं जो तुमको अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं पैसा बनाने के लिए. Okay, so there is one beautiful course that we have created. It's pre-recorded. It's called Embracing Feminine Abundance.
Okay.
कि एक जो औरत होती है वो खुद ही तो लक्ष्मी है,
Right.
खुद लक्ष्मी है, तो लक्ष्मी हो के तुम बोल रहे हो मेरे घर में लक्ष्मी नहीं आती. What is wrong with you? There are so many skills, there are so many talents. So we use hypnosis to let go of any old belief systems that are not working for you and to rebuild. There is another course that we are coming up with, is a course on manifesting everything and anything that you need. There are so many other smaller courses that I talk about, which is on life, death and karma, which is on angels, which is on loving your body, healing your core wounds, जो पुरानी यादें हैं जो हमको अभी भी परेशान करती हैं, अभी भी हर्ट करती है, हमारे शरीर में बैठी हुई हैं, बीमारियों के जैसे बैठी हुई हैं, उसको कैसे निकालना है, हमारे खुद के शरीर को खुद की एनर्जी यूज करके कैसे उसको हील करना है. ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. देयर आर जर्नल्स व्हिच आई हैव क्रिएटेड, व्हिच लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं मैं नहीं जा रहा थेरेपी पे, मैं पागल थोड़ी हूँ कि मैं थेरेपी पे जाऊंगा. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड जर्नल्स व्हिच वर्क लाइक 5 सेशंस ऑफ थेरेपी देमसेल्व्स. कि कुछ मत करो, ये जर्नल खरीदो, इस पे हर एक पेज पे अलग अलग क्वेश्चन है, स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक आप खत्म करोगे ना तो आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो
Life
जाएगी.
change.
Because you will get so many answers to questions that you have never asked yourself.
And how can these people, they can access these courses? From where can they access?
Oh, it's all there on Instagram.
All that.
All they have to do is just connect with me on Instagram and it's all there.
Great. So I just hope that a lot of people who are watching this episode, I'm sure that a lot of people who want to do this.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just that they don't know maybe कहाँ से करे, किसके साथ करे, or something like this exists as well.
Yeah.
So if it can be helpful to any one of them, I think
Yeah.
that is the idea from this episode as well.
Absolutely. And I always say this, that every single person is a born healer. Every
And what do you
person.
mean by that?
Everybody has the power to heal.
Themselves.
Not only themselves, they have the power to heal the world around them. Just the way you healed that dog. You took care of that dog. You allowed that dog to pass over the rainbow. You healed him. You took him out of pain. You're taking care of 3 other dogs right now. You are healing them as they are healing you. Okay? We all have the gifts to heal other people. Even if you don't have, you feel like, अरे लेकिन मुझे कोई सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, सीख लो. मैं साइकोलॉजी ग्रेजुएट नहीं हूँ, तुमको हीलिंग के लिए साइकोलॉजी ग्रेजुएट होने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो अगर तुमको काउंसलर बनना है, साइकोथेरेपिस्ट बनना है,
तब तुम्हें वो चाहिए.
बट टू बी लिटरली अ हीलर वेयर यू जस्ट वांट टू मेक द प्लैनेट अराउंड यू अ बेटर प्लेस, you need one hands and two good one good heart and 2 good hands. That's all you need. And that's all you need. I failed maths all my life.
Same.
All my life. And I grew up thinking कि मैं मैथ्स नहीं कर सकती मतलब मैं जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर सकती, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती. तो मेरे पापा मुझे बोलते थे, तू सिर्फ बोलती है यार, तेरा लाइफ में क्या होएगा क्या पता. देयर वाज नो होप फॉर मी डूइंग एनीथिंग, सो दे गॉट मी मैरिड एट 20. कि तू सिर्फ शादी कर, बच्चे पैदा कर, तू घर संभाल, तेरे को खाना पकाना सिखा दिया है, बस ये तेरी स्किल है. तो मैं पापा को बोलती थी जब मैं छोटी थी कि आप बोलते हो कि मैं सिर्फ बोलती हूँ, तो कभी मुझे बोलने का पैसा मिला तो. लेकिन मैं 1989 की बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम बॉर्न 1981. तो जब मैं 8-9 साल की थी तभी बोलने का कोई पैसा नहीं मिलता था.
वो अब जाके so you
What
converted
do
that.
I make money out of? Speaking.
Absolutely, exactly.
हम लोग सब है ना, हमारे innate talents को और innate gifts को we take it for granted. ओ ये इसमें क्या है, ये तो सब लोग कर सकते हैं. कर सकते हैं, करते नहीं है
नहीं
तो
है.
तुम करो,
With
do
that,
it.
with
So
that,
if you want to heal other people, reach out to me. I will show you the way. In fact, on about us in क्या होता है on Instagram,
वो
about
highlights.
me highlights में, I have actually put up the numbers and the contacts of all the people I learned everything from. Like, go, please learn,
Wow.
do it, because it's such a big world. अकेला इंसान कितने लोगों को हील करेगा? तुम एक इंसान हो, तुम्हारे आसपास 300 लोग हैं, वो 300 में से तुमने भी 30 को हील कर दिया ना, कुछ बोल के, हग करके, प्यार करके, उनके साथ गाना गा के, उनको दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव देके, तो उनकी दुनिया चेंज हो जाएगी. And it is our responsibility to heal people around us.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think we all, and मेरे bio में ना there's this one line I like keep telling it to everyone. It says kindness is a flex.
Yes.
That has
Yes.
stayed with me. It is with me. It is going to be with me.
Yes.
I think it is the biggest flex of my life to
Absolutely.
be kind to
And
people.
kindness should become everybody's superpower. It should become everyone's superpower. That if you can be anything, be kind. And if you can continue to stay kind for the rest of your life, you have no idea how many people you have just healed by your kindness.
Absolutely. With that, Kavil, as we are almost ending this episode, one message to everyone who's watching this episode, who's trying to chase something, who's trying to achieve something big in life, dreams के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. One message to all of them.
Keep exploring. When you keep exploring, you will come to a point where you will fall in love with that one thing which you feel like, ये मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, ये मुझे करना है. उसको लिखो, ये मुझे क्या करना है. अच्छा, मुझे काव्य सदानी जैसा काम करना है. अच्छा, मुझे शैंकी जैसा काम करना है. अच्छा, मुझे रतन टाटा जैसा काम करना है. Write it down. Then consciously speak to 5-7 other people. Go to ChatGPT. Find out what is the method I can go about this. Then ask your angels for help. मदद कर मुझे. Bring the right people to me. Bring the right clients to me. Just enter the magical world that exists around you. People don't believe in magic. There is magic all the time. Don't be scared of your dreams. The only courage we need is the courage to follow our dreams.
Wow.
That's the only courage that is needed. बाकी तो रास्ता खुलता ही जाएगा.
Wow. This is very inspiring, Kavil. This is like, it changes a lot of things. Okay. And it is not just you talking and someone getting inspired or motivated. It's more about being practical about doing things and not just think about it. And Angel Namal wala jo formula bataya, I think I'm going to use it in my life. I am going to start talking to my angels, and because I have seen these changes since I started believing, so I think this is one more thing that I am going to take it from here, from today's episode.
Brilliant.
Every
Your
episode,
life will never be the same after you get in touch with the angels.
I am going to, and I hope it works out well for me.
It has to. Abracadabra. You create as you speak.
With that, thank you so much, Kavil, for coming all the way to Bangalore. And
Thank you.
the thing that you mentioned in the start, there was this phase, 6 years, where you were in a very bad phase of your life. Now I see you here in 2024.
Mhm.
It's a great change. It's a very positive change with whatever you've mentioned. And I'm just so happy, so glad for you, of wherever you are. The happiest I am that you are giving time to yourself and going on for that 15 days expedition without anything.
Absolutely. I'm happy for myself.
I'm so
And the state that I was in, if I could come from that state of absolutely hating myself to a state where I love myself, everybody can make that journey.
wow. Nothing better to end the podcast with.
ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इसी क्लिप्स के फुल वर्जन या कि फुल पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए आप हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.